So you need calorie calculator. So finally you have decided to lose weight and being confused about which calorie calculator you should be choosing, isn't it? Now the confusion is which calorie calculator is the best for you, right? So now you're wondering, that's why you came, that's why you searched this topic in YouTube, isn't it? So don't you worry, I'm gonna give you the best calorie calculator website available right now in market, okay? I don't know about future, but right now this is the best. There is no best than that. So this is the best ever you will get calorie calculator or calorie counters, okay? With this, you will get your result. Continue. Yes guys, how you all doing? I hope you all are doing very fine. So I just want to welcome all of you in my channel, which is Problem with Love or Life, okay? But here we're talking about problem with this fucking fat, isn't it? So since we decide to lose weight, it's all about calorie count, isn't it? So when it's all about calorie count, then it comes that which calorie calculator will be the best. When we search that which calorie calculator is best, then there's so many, there's plenty of application, plenty of websites. So the confusion is, and the problem is how to choose which one is better. So I will tell you which I selected for me and that worked so best, and this is one of the best calorie calculators so far has been created. So continue. So from here onwards, I'm going to be taking you on phone screen over there. I'm going to be showing you what to do rather than telling you. Simply go to phone screen, simply type calorie calculator. On screen, simply type calorie calculator, and the first one will come is the best one. This is the best one so far has been. Okay, you don't have to go for any other calorie calculator. Just go there, type all the information, okay, and the result you will get, you have to just trust that, follow that, follow that, and trust me, you will get the result as I got, okay? So this calorie calculator is the best calorie calculator so far in market. So just do that.